If you want to discover how to earn Bitcoin quickly and easily, this video is for you. We are going to skip the complicated aspects of earning Bitcoin like mining and trading, and we're going to jump into the easiest, most effective way for you to earn Bitcoin starting today. Let's get into it. In this video, we are going to explore the absolute best way to earn Bitcoin. And we are going to preface this with a lot of information that is currently circulating about earning Bitcoin. If you do a search on YouTube or Google, you will find a lot of scams in existence. You will find a lot of platforms that require you to fill out surveys or forms in order to receive small amounts of Bitcoin. And none of these are effective in really building your Bitcoin position. Also, when it comes to earning Bitcoin, there are traditional methods and systems in place. However, they are very minimal on the amount of Bitcoin that you can earn. We're looking at 2.5% to 7% APY. Now, 7% isn't bad for an annual percentage yield. However, what I will be introducing you guys to in this video is a platform that will be able to generate yield not on an annual basis, but based on your deposit. So we will contrast this APY of 2.5 to 7% to these yield generating Bitcoin wallets. Currently, it's giving a return of 5%, and this adjusts on a monthly basis. But this right here is an amount based on your deposit and not an annual percentage yield. So you will essentially earn Bitcoin to the tune of 5% within perhaps a week, maybe a month, or a couple months, okay, depending on how fast these wallets are paying out. But this far exceeds what is currently available in the market when it comes to earning Bitcoin, okay? Also, what I will be demonstrating to you in this video is a wallet that I have set up. I created it back in March, and I will show you exactly where that wallet is today. And if you would like to review a history of from the time I created the wallet, there is a playlist that I have available, and you can come out and check each one of the videos here. I will leave a link to this playlist in the description so you can reference it at any point in time, just so you guys can see and understand that this system is fully legit and operational and working to generate yield for us all. And that yield is earning Bitcoin. Okay, so let's jump right over to this wallet. And there are a few things I want to share in this wallet, and that is first and foremost the deposit that I made. There is a minimum deposit of 0.0007 Bitcoin, which is about $45 or $50. Okay, if I click on this to see the details, this shows I made that deposit on March the 27th. The equivalent value today is worth $47. Okay, and everything that you do within this wallet is on the blockchain. If you need to verify it, it gives you the transaction IDs, and you can come out and see how that transacted was written to the blockchain. Okay, so with that $47 deposit about 2 months ago, my equivalent balance as of today is now above 100, or about $125. So I have essentially doubled this, and I'm working on the process of tripling this. And I'm going to show you guys from this aspect exactly how I did it. Okay. Once I made that deposit of 0.0007 Bitcoin, I immediately go to the marketplace and began purchasing credits. Now understand that what are credits? Well, credits are obligations that these wallets use to convert into Bitcoin. Okay, so this is just a designation to say, hey, when you make a deposit into this wallet, it's going to issue a percentage to you. Okay, that percentage currently is 5%. So if I deposit $100 worth of Bitcoin, I can expect to receive an additional $5. Okay, so that will be applied in credits, and these credits will immediately begin converting into Bitcoin. That's all well, fine, and great because I am receiving free Bitcoin immediately. However, there's also a feature called the marketplace. And if you come out to the marketplace, this is an area where other wallet holders can participate in buying and selling their credits. So if I want to sell my credits, my position here, I have $104 worth of credits. I can certainly go out to the marketplace and post them for sale. However, in this particular wallet, my goal is to continue to grow my Bitcoin position. So as these credits are converting into Bitcoin, I want to earn more Bitcoin. So I am going to go to the marketplace and I am going to purchase even more credits with the $19 of Bitcoin that I currently have. So I just shoot out over to the marketplace, and in the marketplace, it will always display the best discounts at the top. So you never have to really worry about going through all of the available discounts or offers that are displayed. You just come straight to the top, and if you want to pay that amount, essentially I'll be getting $13.47 worth of Bitcoin for $11.12. And I'm going to go ahead and make the purchase. I currently have $19.67, and this is only going to display the offers that I can actually afford unless I change it. But let's go out and purchase these, because this is how I am putting my Bitcoin to work. This is how I am earning Bitcoin effortlessly. I don't have to go out and fill out any surveys. I don't have to come out here every day and make purchases. I can just let the system continue to do its job of converting credits. So now, after I've made that purchase, notice that my Bitcoin balance has dropped. However, my credits balance has increased. And with that increase, these credits will continue to flow into Bitcoin. Now, let's look at a transaction history. So this right here shows me the credits purchased. Okay, so this is the purchase that I just made, or these are the purchases I just made. I just made two purchases where I purchased $13.47 worth of credits for $11, and then I made another purchase. Prior to that, it was 5 days prior where I had enough Bitcoin that had converted from credits into Bitcoin to purchase $40 worth of credits. Okay, so that's how this system generates yield for you. And once you have Bitcoin available, this is available for withdrawal at any given point in time. All you have to do is click on the Send Bitcoin button, put in the address you want to send to, the amount that you want to send, and it will safely transfer those Bitcoins over on the blockchain for you. Okay, that's all I have in this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the description. And when it comes to getting and acquiring a wallet, understand that there are two different websites that you can go to. There is a high yield BTC.com website. There's also a drip to BTC.com website. Both of these websites do support the same wallet software that's running on the back end, so you can be safe knowing that both of these are actually working toward your interest. Okay, and if you ever need to authenticate a site, be sure to click on this link at the bottom to make sure it is a site that has been developed by Mystify, just to make sure that you are on the right site and no other sites out there are trying to scam you. All right, that's all I have for you in this video, and we'll see you on the next one.